Next, let's talk about the root device type. You always need the image to boot the instance. The root device volume contains that image. EC2 instances can be launched with different root device types. The root device type refers to the storage device that contains the root file system of the instance. The two main types of root device for EC2 instances are instance store. This is a storage that is physically attached to the host computer that an instance is running on. These EC2 instances have their root device stored on the instance itself, which provides faster input output performance. However, data stored on an instance store is not persistent and will be lost when the instance is terminated. Elastic Block Store. Elastic Block Store or EBS, this is a network attached storage service provided by AWS that allow the instances to access the persistent storage. EBS backed instances have their root device stored on the EBS volume, which allows the root file system to be easily backed up. EBS allow the data to persist after the instance is terminated. When creating an EC2 instance, you will have the option to choose the root device type that best fit your requirements. You can choose the EC2 instance root device type depending on the type of applications, workload, and the data durability. It is important to note that some instance type may only be available as one type of the root devices. For example, ARM instances are only available as instance store backed instances.